none of what you're watching is real. Not the dancers, not the chef, not even the horses. This is all generated by text and photos and a brand new AI update that just broke the internet. It's called Hailuo 2.3, and it's changing how videos are made forever. Let me show you how it works and why it's way beyond anything we've seen so far. Okay, let's jump in and I'll show you exactly how I made those scenes, step by step. Click the link in the description and it'll take you straight to Hailuo's main site. You can sign up with your Google or Apple ID, super quick. Once you're in, tap on the plus icon down here to begin. You'll be asked to verify you're human. Just complete that and we can start creating. For this first demo, we'll use the text to video feature. Make sure the model is set to Hailuo 2.3. That's where all the new realism and motion upgrades live. Here's the first prompt I used. It's cinematic, detailed, and tells Hailuo exactly what kind of motion and lighting to create. Two armored men on horseback clash in a medieval battlefield at sunrise. Cinematic lighting, dust and motion blur in the air, swords clashing in slow motion, realistic camera tracking, dramatic composition, ultra-detailed horses galloping, war atmosphere, epic mood, 4K film look, highly realistic style. Hit generate and give it a minute. The results are mind-blowing. Now, let's try something completely different, a soft, animated style. Let's type, a cute female cartoon character walking peacefully through a bright flower garden, gentle breeze moving the plants, colorful flowers, soft sunlight, cheerful background music vibe, warm pastel tones, Studio Ghibli art style, cinematic depth of field, smooth walking motion, calm atmosphere. Watch how it switches from epic realism to cozy cartoon with just a single prompt. But it gets even better. To help you master this new version, Hailuo has preloaded 2.3 with a full library of incredible presets, basically a cheat sheet for creating scenes that were impossible just a few months ago. For example, you can now generate incredibly complex scenes like hip-hop dance featuring multiple characters with next-level body movement. You can also build emotional storytelling moments using presets like confusion to shock, which show natural human reactions in motion. And if you're creating content for brands or products, check out circles around ads, perfect for producing professional product promos instantly. Honestly, these presets are a masterclass in how to prompt the new AI, so spend some time exploring the library for yourself. Next, let's test the image to video feature. This one lets you upload your own photos and bring them to life. Here, I uploaded just one photo and told it to make the people dance. Here's the prompt I gave it. Make these people dance hip-hop style to upbeat music, energetic moves, expressive rhythm, smooth transitions, cinematic lighting, realistic facial motion, dynamic background. And they actually move like real dancers. Wow! Just wow! Once your video is ready, just tap the download button. It saves straight to your device. Now, let's explore two of the presets and try our hands on it. Immediately you pick a preset. It gives you the default image with its corresponding prompt. Here, you just have to tap here to use your own images. It's that simple. Now that you've seen how powerful this model is, tell me in the comments the one you're going to try first. And here's a quick tip. Right now, Hailuo gives you 4 free trials every day, so make the most of it while it lasts. And that's just scratching the surface of what Hailuo 2.3 can do. From realistic motion to full-on animation, all you need is a prompt or a single photo. If you want me to test how it handles music videos, cinematic scenes, and more, drop a comment below and I'll make a part 2.